Okay, this is the 40K test at 900 millimeters a second. I, I'm scared to go higher. I start missing steps if I do. This one works. The printer moves itself. I got to keep pushing the printer back. That's insane. You guys are wondering how I'm doing it. These are the LDO Speedy Power 48s. What do they call it? The 2504s, I think, ACs, high temp, the HTs, and this thing vibrates. But here's my octopus board. I've got 4 QHV 5160s. They're not the big Tree Tech ones. These ones have 8 MOSFETs on them. I've got separate power coming in. That's the only way you're able to mix match. Well, I'm sorry, you're able to run high voltage. I don't know how to put it to words. You can't mix match drivers and run high voltage with the Octopus, despite the fact of them having the jumpers and saying they have the ability to do that. It just don't work. Not in Clipper, at least. And this is what I'm running to that motor port on the big Tree Tech. Got other stuff there. And there's my ETOC. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start bolting the printer down. It's crazy how much this end table shakes. I mean, I didn't show how this stuff was all moving while it was printing. I mean, stuff's starting to fall off the table. Box turtles even creeping closer towards the edge as I run these tests. But I'm not going to try to go faster. I'm afraid I'll buckle the lightweight gantry potentially. I don't know, people tell me I will. They tell me I need to support that. And yeah, these are all CNC metal. I haven't really tried printing yet to see the temperature. But I do know when it was ABS parts, I was limiting the current because I didn't want to melt the plastic. The ABS held though, it didn't melt. I have these set at 1.8 for the voltage and Clipper configuration. Couldn't find my other square heat sink, so honestly, I think the metal motor mounts work as a pretty darn good heat sink. So I just stuck them on just to stick them on. I think they're ugly otherwise. And I don't know if any of you guys have tried, but this build plate is amazing. This is what they call the epoxy resin surface. And it's awesome. I like it way better. I mean, I've stopped using this because this is just great.